okay? You alright? Okay,
alright!
Where's food?
Fucking bitch! Ah, what? Good job! Oh my god, good job! Good job! Motherfucker! Oh, man! Huh? Probably! Oh, that fucking hurt!
Wow, dude, that wasn't smart. You okay, man? Whoa.
No, Nico. Here he is, everybody. It's Nico.
Hello. Fuck. Alright. This is it, man. This is my fucking opportunity to big shots, man. This is fuck, man. I had a couple of jokes before, but
holy shit.
goddamn, I was hoping that fucking one of them was gonna sign me to their label. Fucking give me a deal, man. Like a couple thousand, man.
Uy, chocaron la señora ya. Oh my God. Chocaron la señora.
Ahora que chocaron a alguien delante de nosotros, a ver si está todo el mundo bien. Bye. ¿Están bien? ¿Están bien, muchachos? ¿Están bien?
Motherfucker! Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm King Batch.
And I got that on fucking video too.
From Postmates?
Oh my god. I got that on video right here. Right here. I just got hit by Yeah, you do get a ticket going to this. That guy just got a ticket. I just saw the light flashing. I see what the light. Oh my God! And look at her.
And periodically is, I think it's just a related thing, and so this is really two different of the mistakes. We have it listed as two mistakes in the article, but the second one I think is just very closely related, and that's adjusting your clothing, adjusting your pants. So sometimes, you know, once again, you feel like maybe the gun's not as secure as it should be, or maybe you don't have good quality pants or good quality belt holding things in place. Try to avoid it.
Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Line shorter answer, it's hard to count on one arm or one leg. Is he the outside linebacker version of Vance McDonald? I just wrote about Bud Dupree on Thursday here. Look, he has had those previous issues, but go back to last year. Okay, he did not miss a game, and he only missed. He was on the injury report 3 different weeks last year. It's a shame that I'm.
weight the polls to make sure that you capture all the demographics in the right way, so that the universe of people that you find online sort of, also represent a broader universe of voters.
Yeah, I mean, we get that question a lot, and I think the assumption is that older people are not online. That's still not true. I mean, there are older people who have trouble getting people over 80, over 85, to apply online. The real challenge is getting a representative of 18 to 24-year-olds in America. And I think one of the ways that you do this is different. You're 100% committed to constantly meeting and trying to find affordable ways.
Yeah, we got him now.
Yeah, at least they make the numbers. Oh my God, look at that.
Yeah, I see him. Well, knock it down. Stay back, Rick. Stay back. Damn thing might break.
No, this has got to be out of here.
What the hell's the matter with that guy? Look at him. What the hell's the matter? He's drunk. He's doped up or something. He's running or something. I don't know what's the matter with that guy. Good golly, Ricky. Damn power line break down and kill us too. Kill me and you
Call
too.
911 there.
I ain't got no phone. 911.
Yeah. Oh, fire. The fire.
delays from approaching southbound to east of Cawthra. Eastbound Gardner is slow from Humber Bridge over to Dufferin. If you're traveling east on the 401, it's still slow from Bluffline over to Trafalgar. Another delay through Mississauga Road and from Dixie all the way to Victoria Park in the Express and to Kennedy in the Collectors. If you're headed south on the 400, it's slow.